As a homeowner in Brandon, you know how vital it is to keep your home comfortable year-round. Whether it's the hot, humid summers or the cold, windy winters, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature is essential. One often overlooked way to enhance your home's comfort while saving money on energy bills is by investing in energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are a game-changer when it comes to optimizing your home's insulation and reducing its environmental footprint. In this article, we will explore why energy-efficient windows are an absolute must-have for homeowners in Brandon and how they can significantly impact your home's overall energy performance. Understanding energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features that minimize heat transfer between the inside and outside of your home. This means they help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These windows typically feature multiple panes of glass, double or triple glazing, gas fills like argon or krypton between the panes, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames. Each of these elements contributes to better insulation and less heat loss, making them a key player in improving your home's energy efficiency. Lower energy bills. One of the most compelling reasons to upgrade to energy-efficient windows is the potential savings on your energy bills. In Brandon, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, heating and cooling costs can eat up a significant portion of your monthly expenses. Traditional single-pane windows can let a lot of heat escape in winter and allow warm air to enter in summer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Energy-efficient windows, however, help maintain the temperature inside your home by reducing heat transfer. This means your air conditioner or heater won't have to work as hard, ultimately reducing your energy consumption and lowering your utility bills. Over time, the savings on energy bills can offset the initial investment in these windows. Increased comfort. Energy-efficient windows are designed to create a more consistent indoor environment. They prevent cold drafts in the winter and reduce heat buildup in the summer. This means that every room in your home will maintain a more comfortable temperature, no matter the season. If you've ever dealt with the discomfort of chilly spots near a window or sweltering heat by a south-facing window in the summer, you'll understand how important this comfort factor can be. Additionally, these windows often reduce outside noise, making your home more peaceful and quiet. This is especially beneficial for homeowners living near busy streets or in areas with a lot of traffic. With energy-efficient windows, you not only control the temperature inside your home but also improve your overall living experience. Boosting home value. Another reason to consider energy-efficient windows is the potential for increased home value. Energy efficiency is a top priority for modern homebuyers, and homes with energy-saving features tend to be more attractive on the market. When it comes time to sell, prospective buyers will appreciate the reduced energy costs and the long-term benefits of energy-efficient windows. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can also give your home a more modern, polished appearance, which further boosts its appeal. As more buyers look for homes that align with their eco-conscious values, energy-efficient upgrades can make a difference in achieving a faster sale at a better price. Environmental benefit. As more homeowners become environmentally conscious, upgrading to energy-efficient windows contributes to reducing your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows reduce the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home, which in turn lowers the demand for electricity. By using less energy, you're helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, making your home a more sustainable place to live. Moreover, many of the materials used in energy-efficient windows, such as low-emissivity coatings and insulated frames, are eco-friendly and recyclable, which further contributes to sustainability. Conclusion. For homeowners in Brandon, energy-efficient windows are not just an upgrade, they're a necessity. By improving comfort, reducing energy bills, increasing home value, and contributing to a greener environment, these windows offer unmatched benefits that are worth the investment. Whether you're looking to lower your monthly energy expenses, create a more comfortable living space, or make your home more appealing to future buyers, energy-efficient windows are the smart choice. Don't let inefficient windows be a drain on your home's performance. Make the switch today and enjoy the long-term advantages of energy-efficient windows.